Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we are on deck 11 here on the Carnival Jubilee, and this is a passenger cabin deck. As you see, there's the red dot. We are all the way forward, and so we're going to start to the right, circle all the way around, and point out the cabins in relationship to the stairs and the elevators, so you can see exactly how far. As well, I'll point out crew areas. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I'm not going to be spinning the camera around to show you every number. If I did, you would get nauseous. So I use my finger and my thumb to point, and I call out the numbers. Now, when you see your cabin or hear your cabin number, make sure you leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. Right? That is 297 right there. 295, 11293, 11291, 289, 87, crew area, 85, 83, little jig jog, 81 right there. 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65. Oh, this cruise line's cabin. Shh. 63, 61, 57, 59, 53, 55, 51, 49. 47, 45, crew door, 43, 41, crew door, 39, 37, 35, 233, 231. You notice the scooters on the outside because it won't go through the door. 29, 27, or not enough room in the cabin. 25, 23, 21, 219, 217, 215, 211, 209, 207, 205, 203, 201, crossing over, 204, 202, 206, 08, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, crew door, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, crew door, 80, little jig jog here around the corner, 82, 84, 86, crew door, 88, 90, 92, 94. Now notice the color change in the carpet, right? There's a big square. This lets you know that you're at the elevators and the stairs, okay? Again, there's a plaque. It doesn't have a deck plan, but let's continue to go to the back. 96, 98, 300, 302. Here's something interesting. There's a scooter sitting there because it won't go in the cabin charging. Most cruise ships, all the outside power is European power. That's a US power plug. 304, just notice that. 306. 308, 310, 312, 314, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, crew door, 34, 36, 38, 38 is on the side, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 88, 90. Sorry guys. 86, I missed a number. 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, crew door, 400, 402, 404, 406, 408, 410, 412, 414. Change of carpet color, that means we're at the midship elevators. 416, there they are in there. Obviously you can't see them, but they're right there. Okay, 418, 420, 422, 24, 26, 28, 30. Little jig jog here. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 11, 4, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, 50, 52, crew area, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. This is your aft elevator shaft. Aft elevator shaft. 74, 76, stairs as well, of course. 78, 80, 82, 84, and another entrance to the stairs and elevators. Okay. Again, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 500, 502, 504, 506, 508, 510, 512, 514, 516. Let's cross over to the other side. 518, 520, crossing over. 19, 17, 15, 11, 09, 07, crew door. 05, 03, 01, 49, 49, 499, 497, 495, 93, 91, 89, 87, crew door back there. 85, a little jig jog here. 83, 81, 79, access to the elevators and the stairs right here. Again, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, another entrance to the aft elevator stairs. And okay, 69, 67, 65, 63, crew door. 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, crew door. 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27. What's up, y'all? Yeah. 25, 23. You heard the voice coming down the hallway, didn't you? 29, 19, 17, 15. Midship elevators. 11, 9, 7, 5. Oops. 5 is on this side. My bad, guys. 403, 401, 399, 397, 95, 93, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, 81, 79, 77, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, crew door, 37, 35, crew area, 333. Did I say 35? I can't remember. 335. Sorry, guys. the numbers start running together. 333, 331, 329, 27, 25, 23, 321, blast off. 319, 315, 317, 311. A little bit of a jig jog here. 309, 307, 305, 303, 301, 399, 297, and guess what? We are right back where we started, right here at the forward elevator shaft. There you go. Now, if you saw your cabin, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing. Until we see you again on another ship or on another deck, be safe.